My name's Alex from Cleaner Stock. In today's video, we're going to check for leaks in the Swiffer WetJet mop. Okay, here's some solutions if your mop is leaking. First thing is, this seal on the front might be dirty. Go ahead and clean it off. Once it's clean, insert it back into your mop. This will help it make a good contact. The next thing to check for is to make sure the cleaning solution is inserted correctly. As you can see here, the button that releases it. When you press in, make sure you hear a button click. This is how you know it's inserted correctly. The next thing to check for is to make sure the cleaning solution is pointed correctly. You can see the name of Swiffer facing up. If you release this and turn it around, you will see that this is the back, this will be the front. Make sure it's inserted correct. If you put it in backwards, it won't make contact and it will begin to leak. The last reason it might be leaking is if you open the cleaning solution. If you open this is not meant to be open. If you put it back on, it might not have a tight fit on there, which will cause it to leak. If you went ahead and open it and it's leaking, it's time to get a new bottle.